Walgreens haul. Today we went to Walgreens and we found the viral dream drop, and today we're going to be opening it. As it says on the packaging, please do not heat or microwave. That can cause serious injury, so please remember not to microwave it. Okay, I got the purple and he got the blue one. It is so pretty. Like, well, this might be my favorite squishy ever. It's kind of like the cube, but it's like a lot softer.
Yeah, and it have like a chimp on it, like white heel.
So you can display it. It's the best thing ever. It's really squishy. I really like it. Do you like it, Sawyer?
Yeah, you can find these at Walgreens, Walmart, or Walgreens, or Target.
Yes, this is like my favorite squishy ever. We've been hunting these down for forever. So thank you, Walgreens. And also, their customer service was really nice because a guy ran into us and said if we were looking for these. So thanks, guy, for watching this. Yeah, anyways, thanks for watching. Bye. Make sure to like and subscribe.